So the next we are going to look at is this guy over here. It's called the Polygon Tool. So you used to draw polygons by dragging in the window. So the Polygon Tool is actually containing so many other tools. So it's a polygon, which means it's just an enclosed-sided figure. It could be a square, it could be a rectangle, it could be a triangle, and so on and so forth. So when you click on the rectangle, the Polygon Tool, you can choose the number of sides you want from here, okay, and then the size of the outline. Okay, so we'll be looking at what an outline is shortly. Okay, so we have this. So assuming I choose 3, which means I want a 3-sided polygon. So I'm going to draw, you see, a 3-sided polygon by clicking and dragging as it says. So I can increase it so to 4-sided, 5-sided, 6-sided, 7-sided, and so on and so forth. Okay, I can actually select, so this 8, make maybe a 10. First of all, so let me say I'm clicking outside, going back to it, and I select maybe 8. So 8-sided, I draw it to give me directly a straight 8-sided figure. Can just click outside again. So you see, I'm coming back to the pick tool and click outside, and then when I want to do the next one, maybe I just want to be a 6-sided figure, a pentagon, a hexagon. I just go straight with down, and so that's how to actually play. So in case you are wondering how to create triangles, yes, by giving it a 3-sided, you're good to go. I will also have perfect polygons, okay, I mean with or direct called regular polygons, so which means it has equal size. So by holding control and then dragging, so it will have equal size. If it's a 3-sided one, you can see it will come with more like, well, because it was not originally drawn this way. So let's get a 3-sided figure, a triangle with perfect size. I just hold control, so I change this to 3, and then we hold control, and then we are good to go. So we have a perfect triangle, something like that. Yeah, so basically that's how to use the Pentagon tool. And don't worry, there's a lot of things under here, but this one we use some. So there's a star tool. So let me just clear my screen. We will just erase this brown area just by clicking and pressing the delete key and then that con. Yes, in case you mistakenly delete something you don't, you can just use the Control plus C and then come back in order. Then that way, so all undo and redo that way here for you. Okay, thank you for staying to the end of this particular tutorial. This tutorial is part of my playlist on the tools in CorelDraw application. If you have any questions or suggestions for me, I'll be glad if you can drop them in the comment section so that I'll address them for you. And also, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, I'll be very happy if you could do that so that you can be notified anytime I drop another video.